Used the kind of preparation products to kind of loosen the road grime and dirt. So we've used the foam bug and tire remover, we've used the heavy duty cleaner on the inner arches, kind of lower seals, and we've used the snow foam to kind of soften up that road grime and dust and remove it before washing. So we want to start building up some protection and gloss on the car, so we're using the Ultimate Wash and Wax. So this is a wash and wax shampoo. It's our only wash and wax, but it has the wax dispersed into the shampoo, which gives you a nice consistent kind of even coverage of wax. So on its own it's going to give you about a few weeks worth of protection, but we're going to use this to kind of help boost gloss and protection on the car. So for regular maintenance it's perfect for it. This is our hybrid ceramic. So what this does is uses the water to activate itself.
Yep.
So what it's going to is the easiest form of putting a real solid layer of protection on your car, on the paint. So while the surface is wet,
yep,
we're going to put on the first layer. So when you first use this, you have to kind of bond it to the surface.
Okay.
So we're going to put it on and then dry the car off, and then we're going to reapply.
Right.
But that reapplication second time is how you would use it normally.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Nice light mist on the panel like that. And this is just going to evenly spread it on the surface and allow it to bond to the paint. So kind of the whole theme of this video really is kind of the motto of Meguiar's, it's car care made easy. So we've got Kaizel taking off the hybrid ceramic wax. So we've showed him how to do the base layer, but then how to do the kind of maintenance topping up of the product. So the first time you're going to be using it, you're using it as a drying aid. Then the next time just spraying and rinsing off, and yeah, one step closer to getting it done. Bit of a different day in the bay because we've not gone in the bay, but what we've done is shown Kaizel how to kind of clean and enhance the paint, just using some nice simple tactics. So we've used obviously the kind of bug and tire remover, we've used the ultimate all-wheel cleaner, we used the multi-purpose cleaner to kind of prep it for when we jet wash it down. Then we used our Extreme Clean Ultimate Snow Foam to kind of help loosen that kind of excess dirt and grime that might be on there. So we rinse it off before washing. Then we used our Ultimate Wash and Wax to boost gloss, but also provide a little bit of protection. So once we'd done that, we then moved on to the hybrid ceramic to really boost protection on the car. So it makes his maintenance a lot easier. So we showed him how to do the foundation kind of layer of that, and then the maintenance layer. Then to finish the car off, we used our Ultimate Detailer to boost protection even more, add a bit of gloss, but also kind of finish the car off to get a streak-free finish. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, share and subscribe. Also hit the little notification bell to get notified when the next Meguiar's video comes out, whether or not it's Tom vs Dale, detailing 101, or a day in the bay. Day in the outside car park. Day in the car park.